Hello, welcome to Vlogmas Day 10. Right, it's quite late in the day, it's about 3:15 I think, and I'm off to Pilton Village Craft Fair to see if I can find any Christmas presents. I hope I'm not too late because it closes soon, so I hope all the best presents haven't been bought already. But I've only just finished editing, it was another long one yesterday, so today's is going to be quite short. Also, it's pouring with rain, well not pouring, but just a really steady drizzle of rain outside, and I was hoping that we'd do the outside lights today, and I don't know if it's going to happen now. So I don't know, that might have to be another day again. So anyway, I'm going to get going and I'll see you soon, bye. Well, I was really impressed with the items for sale at that craft fair. There were some really good quality things there, and the artists that we have in the local area are just amazing. Right, so I'm back home. I've finally got yesterday's YouTube video finished, and now I'm going to have a really good tidy up and a bit of a clean. So not all that exciting, but I might do a little bit of a speeded up bit. Have a look at this that's come today. This is the packaging. I don't know if you can tell how big this box is and how much. Look at all this. Look at all this packaging. That was for a pillow. This is Amazon packaging. Okay, it was a large pillow, but still just a pillow and all of that. So yeah, the cats are loving that. And then this came today, and I haven't unwrapped it yet, but this is our new pretend stove, our electric stove for the bedroom. So I'm going to unwrap that and take that upstairs. beautiful little pussycat. The lady who I'm making the black dress for would like a photo of the progress of the black dress, and I would like to get the top half finished first because it's looking a bit plain. There isn't a lot for her to see at the moment. There we are. It's just been placed and patched, worked together, but I'd like to get some more detail on it now. So I'm probably going to work on that for about half an hour, maybe 3/4 of an hour, and then I'd like some time just to relax and sit on the settee before bed because, well, I bought the Christmas Radio Times nearly a week ago now, and I still haven't gone through it. I still have no idea what's going to be on the Christmas holidays. And I've got to do that classic Christmas thing of circling everything I want to watch. Actually, I have more of a method than that. I underline the title of the things that I'd quite like to watch. I circle the whole title and description of the things that I would definitely like to watch. And then I circle in a wiggly line around the whole thing if I really have to watch it, and then I circle with a wiggly line and do dashes around it of the things that I cannot, absolutely must not miss. So that's my Christmas Radio Times method. Do you have one, or is that just a weird thing that I do? It's always when I'm really going for it and I'm really in my stride that my sewing machine decides to stop working. But at least this time I think I know why. There's been a little bit of a fluff build up in what is called the race. There you go. There's a little fun fact for you if you're not a sewer. Look at this amount of fluff. No wonder it's not working. I've actually never seen this much fluff in here before. So hopefully after I've done this, I can get back to it. Right, I thought I'd film this bit because I thought it would be useful for anyone considering getting this brother machine, which is the AS40. Tell me how I'm supposed to get this in. Honestly, this plate back in. It's difficult enough to get it out. You've got to pull that way and that way at the same time. How can your hands physically do that and lift it up, let alone do the same thing to go backwards? So this shouldn't be under there. That bit shouldn't be popped out of there. Oh, this is why I get so fed up every time it needs cleaning. Ah, oh, no, it's not on there. There. Oh, done. Now it better bloody work. Let's see if it works this time. No. Damn it. So I am not particularly happy because I haven't managed to fix the sewing machine and it is too late to just spend hours trying to fix it. So I'm having to go to bed knowing that that's what I've got to do tomorrow, which I absolutely hate doing. But it's just got too late in the day and I never did get to the Radio Times. I think I'm going to have to save up and buy myself a new sewing machine for my birthday. It's just not quite up to standard. Particularly for the price I paid for this machine, I kind of would have hoped for better. There we are. I'll have to do a proper review on it so other people are warned. Oh, I don't want to end the vlog miserable. You don't want to see me end the vlog miserable, I'm sure. What shall I do to end the vlog better? I don't know. Shall I go and cuddle the cat again? Maybe that will help cheer me up. I'm having fusses with my cat Rafiki, and that is making me feel better. Oh, it's smoky in here. I've just done the Rayburn. Say hello. Thank you for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Lyra knows there's something different in our room. It's not my pillow, Lyra. That's it. It's okay, Lyra. You can go in. Oh, she's scared. It's just a new fire. Oh, it is shooting out heat.
Yeah.
I can feel it standing here. Well, it's quite good, isn't it?
Yeah.
Lyra, okay. You alright?